Okay, what's your name?
I'm Natalie, co-founder of Connection Point Systems, and we've developed this amazing Facebook application called Fundrazr. You can see it running on the screen right now. Basically integrates into Facebook really well, and obviously runs on PayPal platform.
Very nice.
Payments as well. So essentially it allows you to really easily collect fees, do interactive fundraising campaigns, and manage members. So it's perfect for like sports teams, school groups, people running campaigns, non-profits, anybody who has to collect any money from more than one person basically.
Okay.
We make it really easy within our application. So it's just an example really quickly of a campaign that I'm running for my Ultimate Frisbee team. Super interactive and media rich interface. You can easily donate from here. You can share it, put it on your live stream. All the integration with Facebook there as well, so it looks really familiar to people as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what types of, what are your most popular types of donations on the site?
Most popular types of donations? I
Yeah.
guess people giving to a specific cause, so if you're running a marathon, you're wanting to raise money for a charity, or if you are just wanting donations to anything, to any great cause you can donate basically. So somebody's having an event or a campaign, or they're wanting to raise money so they can go off to the World Club Champs like Zephyr here. That's where you can make a donation and comment about it and share it with everybody.
Great. So let's talk technology. And we've got, what's your name?
My name is Christian.
Christian, and Christian, you're the tech guy for here. What do you do for what do you do for Fundrazr and the Connection Point Systems Inc.?
I'm basically a software developer. We are building this application using basically for the front end. We use Flags to actually build the application. As a backend, we use Java, running on JBoss, and doing all the communication secure from our front end to our back end.
Okay, and are you using, is this an iframe based app, is it an FBML, combination of the two?
It's a combination of, we're basically using all the technologies, whatever fits best for our purpose. For example, if you want to show this, this is called the Fundrazr Navigator. This is the initial view where if you don't browse to one application directly, you can see this, and you see all your involvements to different sport teams, to charities. For example, you can see here...
It's kind of like your news feed in some ways.
Yeah, kind of.
Summary of bills you owe.
Okay. Yeah, some of the bills you owe.
Okay.
Yeah. As you can see here, there's one fee due basically, and you can click there, and it brings you to the Flash application where you can actually pay them.
Okay. So I mean, have you run any? I mean, what types of issues? What are the strengths and weaknesses you found from the Facebook platform, and then what about the new PayPal X platform, and how are you going to ask? Let's start with the Facebook.
Okay, let's start with Facebook. So we had to overcome quite some hurdles, especially the platform is shifting quite a lot. So it's constantly evolving, breaking old functionality. Especially, there were some announcements made, I think last week, so that will force us to totally radically change parts of our application. For example, the removal of the profile box, which we currently use to bookmark basically organizations and other issues. I mean, permission-based things that. Sometimes it would be nice if you can bundle asking for a certain set of permissions. So we had to find a good way to integrate everything in a workflow that doesn't, it's not disturbing to the end user.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and what about the PayPal platform? Are you starting to integrate the new the PayPal X platform, or do you have plans for that?
Yes, we do. We are the first ones using.
And how are you integrating that?
The account. And we are using adaptive payments. Adaptive accounts, we are the first one using
We're one of the first users in the world to turn on adaptive payments live here at TechCrunch a few months ago. And we're also the only account that's currently active with adaptive accounts.
Okay.
So.
And who are you?
Sorry, I'm Daryl Hatton. I'm CEO.
Okay.
And
I would be sorry about
proud papa. No. But yeah, so we're heavily involved with PayPal on this.
Uh-huh.
And We've had some interesting challenges of doing that from a Flash application running in a Facebook environment, talking to the PayPal APIs, which we think we've resolved fairly well. Christian, you talk a little bit more about this.
Yeah, I mean, the API itself is pretty straightforward. It's very easy to use. Of course, there are some limitations where we already gave our feedback back to PayPal how they could improve that by adding additional functionality or just giving us even more power. So we are greedy.
Now, just a quick question. I mean, the question always comes up, but Amazon was doing something similar with their Flex payment system. Are you guys integrating with that at all? And if not, I mean, what do you see the benefit that you get from PayPal versus something like Amazon Flex Pay?
You want me to answer that?
Yeah, definitely.
So, why is PayPal better for us than Amazon? We looked at Amazon before doing this, and we're very committed to PayPal and what we've done now. PayPal has wider account adoption, and that's very important for our target customer base. More people have a PayPal account. Having the ability to do the account creation with PayPal is also very, very important for our target customer group, because a lot of the time a sports team is not going to have a PayPal account. You know, a soccer mom's not going to have a PayPal account for her sports team. We can go in ahead and help her create that to help her collect the fees for her team.
Okay.
And then on the adaptive payments side, it was so much more convenient to use the adaptive payments API straight from the email, having the split payments in the back where we can have our portion of the payment moved off as we're moving the money to our customer. And handle the commissions of that, and the workflow is much simpler. So it's been a great experience for us.
Okay. Well, very interesting. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Jesse.